In this segment, we'll be going over one of the 12 flexible content areas that comes with the ConstructCo theme from Tilt Themes. The flexible content areas are an amazing feature that gives you the ability to create hundreds of page layouts from one simple interface. So let's take a look at the columned content flexible content area. First thing we want to do is log into our WordPress installation. And let's navigate to pages. And for demonstration purposes, we're going to bring up our sample page. We're going to go ahead and ignore the header tab and go straight to our content tab. As you can see, I already have one flexible content section in there, which is fine. We're going to go ahead and add another one, and we're going to add the columned content. Now, what this flexible content section gives you the ability to do is create content in a variety of columns, but not only that, you can specify the column layout per device. So the first thing we want to decide is whether or not we want to have a white background behind our content. We're going to go ahead and show a white background. And then what we can do is start adding our columns. So our goal in this demo is we're going to create a 3-columned content area that displays 3 columns on desktop, 2 columns on tablet, and a single column on mobile. So let's add our first column. Right off the bat, you have the ability to set the width of the column based on device. So we want it to be 100% width on mobile, 50% width on a tablet, and 33.3% width on a desktop. Let's go ahead and add some filler content to our column. And our first column is done. Now let's add another column with the same settings and with our same filler content. And finally, our third column, again, 50% width on mobile, 30% width on desktop, and 100% on mobile. Okay, so let's go ahead and update that page and see what it looks like. So here's our first section. And as you can see, here's our 3-column content with a white background. So if we collapse our window, you'll see when we hit a tablet, our column layout changes to 2 columns, or each column being 50%. If we continue to go smaller and we hit our mobile breakpoint, we then move into a single column layout. These columns can be modified to be a variety of combinations and different settings for each device. Feel free to play around with this and have it fit your needs. Another thing I want to show you in this video is how you can rearrange the different content section areas. As you can see right now, we have our default content first and our column content second. If we wanted to switch those around, we simply click, hold, and drag. And if we look at what the page is now, you'll see that our content sections have swapped locations. Okay, that does it for our column content. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please visit our Theme Forest page and contact us through the comments section.